Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to scan computer using Windows Defender offline. Type Windows Security on Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options. Select Windows Defender Offline Scan. Click Scan Now. Click Scan. Click Yes to continue. Click Close. Your PC is being scanned. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Last scan reports are generated. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.